Good Monday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast for this November 17th. We're getting the transition now in Bowling Green as of 4:40 a.m. As I record this update for you, we're beginning to see reports of sleet mixing with the rain and even some snow now, especially to the west of Bowling Green, and that transition is happening at this moment. And we do think there will be some impact on travel this morning across southern Kentucky. It's not going to be a lot of snow, but it's going to be just enough to be a nuisance, to be an impact on your travel with wet, slushy roads across the area. Temperatures have everything to do with what you're seeing now. We're seeing more of rain out to the east, where temperatures are in the mid-30s this morning, like over, say, in Columbia, Campbellsville. They're right on the transition. Albany at 38. Scottsville, you've gone to 32. Russellville's reporting some light snow now, and 31. We're at 32, right at the freezing mark here in Bowling Green, and we're starting to see the transition over to snow right now. There's Doppler Max HD, and you can see the line that is showing the transition here just to the east of Bowling Green. That's where we're seeing that mix of sleet and rain, and then it's over to all snow. And radar's sometimes not picking up some of the light snow that's falling here, but there's plenty more back to the west, enough just to make things a little tricky this morning as you go off to work or to school. As we look at the watches and warnings, winter weather advisory for our area until 11 a.m. Some of that will be shaved off. The heavier stuff you see up there in the pink is where we're seeing the winter storm warnings, and that's where we're already hearing of 4 and 5 inches of snow from Evansville all the way up to Metro Louisville, which they're getting a lot of snow up there along the Ohio River. And this is pretty much panning out exactly the way we were talking about over the weekend when we said the higher snow amounts would be along the Ohio River, and we would just get a kind of a glancing blow out of this with probably less than an inch here in the Bowling Green area. Temperatures, well, the cold air is here, and it's going to stay for a while. In fact, look at the much colder temperatures that are back here to the west and northwest of us, already in the teens, and some of that air will be moving in over time as we go through the weekend. Future Max Predictor showing as we get through the morning, there's going to be that little bout of snow, but it should be out of here by about 9:30, 10 o'clock, or a little bit after that, say midday. After that, just a few clouds. The sun will come out, a few passing flurries, and then things are very quiet but very cold after this. Future max temperatures today only getting, say, into around freezing where we are right now. Then temperatures will fall down into the teens for tonight. In fact, overnight lows dropping into the middle teens. And with the wind still out of the west and a bit gusty, that means wind chill factors will be around 0 by this time tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow with sunshine, we're only going to make it up into the mid-20s for high temperatures. And it's going to be cold, folks. Probably record cold that we're looking at. 33 today with that change over to light snow, about an inch or less accumulation here in Bowling Green. Higher amounts near the Ohio River, down to a bone-chilling 16 tonight with the wind chill near 0. 25 tomorrow, 18 for Tuesday night. Those could be records. 44 for Wednesday, then warmer 43 Thursday, with some light snow possible Thursday night into early Friday. But look at the warming trend for the weekend. Highs in the upper 40s to mid-50s by Sunday. All right, be careful this morning. Watch out for some slick spots that may develop in the area. And we probably will have a few closings or delays in our polar report, so check that at WBKO.com. In the meantime, be safe, and I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky.